Hello, friend. Today we will talk about best football player in the world. Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi is an Argentine professional footballer widely regarded as one of the greatest football players of all time. Known for his incredible dribbling skills, precise finishing, and exceptional playmaking abilities, Messi has won numerous awards, including multiple FIFA Ballon d'Or titles. Messi began his career at FC Barcelona's youth academy, La Masia, and made his first team debut in 2004. Over the years, he achieved remarkable success with Barcelona, winning numerous domestic and international titles, including multiple UEFA Champions League and La Liga championships. In August 2021, due to financial difficulties faced by Barcelona, Messi transferred to Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, a football club in France's Ligue 1, signing a 2-year contract. Messi is known for breaking various records, including becoming Barcelona's all-time leading scorer and setting numerous individual records for goals and assists. His style of play is characterized by quick bursts of acceleration, close ball control, and an ability to score goals from various positions on the field. Messi's contributions to the sport have left an indelible mark, and he is often compared to other football legends like Pelé and Diego Maradona. Lionel Messi had won the FIFA Ballon d'Or award 7 times. Messi won the prestigious individual award in 2009. Lionel Messi won his first FIFA Ballon d'Or in 2009, recognizing his outstanding performances with FC Barcelona during that year. 2010, Messi retained the award in 2010, showcasing his consistent excellence on the football field. 2011, for the third consecutive year, Messi was awarded the FIFA Ballon d'Or in 2011, reflecting his continued brilliance. 2012, Messi secured his 4th consecutive Ballon d'Or in 2012, highlighting his remarkable consistency and dominance in the sport. 2015, after a brief interruption in his Ballon d'Or streak, Messi reclaimed the award in 2015, once again being recognized as the world's best player. 2019, Messi won the award for the 6th time in 2019, further solidifying his status as one of the greatest footballers of his generation. 2021, in 2021, Messi won his 7th FIFA Ballon d'Or, extending his record for the most wins in the history of the award. These awards recognized him as the best player in the world during those respective years. Personal life of Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi was born on June 24, 1987, in Rosario, Argentina. His full name is Lionel Andres Messi, and he grew up with his parents, Jorge Messi and Celia Cuccittini, and 3 siblings. From a young age, Messi displayed exceptional talent and passion for football. He comes from a close-knit family. He is married to Antonella Ricuzzo, and the couple has known each other since childhood. They got married in 2017 and have 3 children, Tiago, Mateo, and Ciro. Early life and introduction to football. Lionel Messi grew up in a modest family in Rosario. His talent for football was evident from a young age, and he joined the local club, Newell's Old Boys, at the age of 6. However, his small stature led to health issues, and he was diagnosed with a growth hormone deficiency. Messi's interest in football developed at a very young age. He started playing for local club Newell's Old Boys in Rosario before joining FC Barcelona's youth academy, La Masia, as a teenager. Messi was born into a working-class family. He joined his local club, Newell's Old Boys, where he played until the age of 13. Philanthropy. Messi is actively involved in philanthropy. He established the Leo Messi Foundation in 2007, which supports access to education and healthcare for vulnerable children. The foundation has been involved in various charitable projects in Argentina and around the world. Business ventures. In addition to his football career, Messi has been involved in various business ventures. He has endorsement deals with several major brands, and he has also launched his own clothing line and opened a chain of restaurants called Bella Vista del Jardín del Norte. International career. Messi has also had a distinguished international career with the Argentine national team. After facing criticism for not winning major international trophies with Argentina, Messi led his team to victory in the 2021 Copa America, securing his first major international title. Challenges. While Messi experienced immense success on the field, he faced challenges off the pitch. Legal issues, including tax fraud allegations, brought him into the spotlight, but he has managed to navigate through these challenges. Individual and team achievements. Messi has won numerous individual awards, including the prestigious FIFA Ballon d'Or, which he has won multiple times. His partnership with Barcelona resulted in numerous La Liga titles, UEFA Champions League victories, and other domestic honors.